This is question number 12. So we need to draw a force distribution according to these two phenomena. So on your left is the an open tank with water here, and this is the free surface, means that we have atmospheric pressure act on the free surface. So on the right side is a closed tank, which is this is water, and we have an air trap at the top here, and this air is give us specific value of pressure. So and then we could draw the force distribution like this one. For open container, we believe that atmospheric pressure is equal to 0. So means that the pressure here is equal to 0, means the force will also equal to 0. So and then when the deep here is become bigger and bigger, so the pressure will become bigger and bigger. At the same time, the force will become bigger and bigger. So we could draw the force distribution like this one. So it will become a triangular with the bottom arrow here is the largest arrow in the distribution. So, and then if you want to calculate the pressure distribution for the horizontal plane here, so because the pressure on this surface is constant, because the height is constant, so we calculate the we draw the force distribution like this one. So mean all the force acts on all the point on this horizontal plane is constant. And this is the force distribution for the closed container. We know that in this closed container we have a gas, and the pressure of the gas, so it will act with a same amount, all the direction like this. So and then because we have pressure, so for sure we have force. So if you want to draw a force here, it is okay for you to draw a force like this one. Okay, so you make it a rectangular box here, because the pressure is constant, so means that the force here is also constant. And then if you want to draw the force distribution for the liquid area here, so at the surface here, so it has pressure, it is equivalent to the pressure of this gas, so means that we need to draw a arrow here. So and then when it goes deeper and deeper, so the pressure will increase, so then the force here will increase too. So at the bottom here we have a pressure maximum. So again, so here at the horizontal plane here, so the pressure is constant, so the force is also constant.